Hey y'all, check this out. Lovely day in the scrapyard today. It's March 16th, Middle Tennessee. It ain't supposed to be doing this. Yesterday it was 70 degrees. Now look, about, I don't know, noon today, 11 o'clock, noon, whatever. This started about 15 minutes ago. There's been customers in here at the scrapyard this morning, been unreal. All this is jammed up. I know you can't see very well right here. And this dude right here in this Dodge pickup, which it's hard to see, got a little, about an 8-foot trailer behind him. He tried 5 times to get that trailer backed up. Finally just had to make a circle. But they're getting him unloaded finally. Here I am in a old semi trying to haul scrap today in this mess right here. This is something. I should have stayed home today, but I didn't. But anyway, so I'll give y'all a little shot of what it's like at the scrap yard today. We hold this out. It's almost a blizzard coming here now. Anyway, we'll see what happens today.